잠깐만요. 내가 알아. 나부터 시작.
Okay.
Hi, so can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Hyunse and I'm studying in Dongguk University.
Okay. What's your major?
Broadcasting and journalism.
Broadcasting and journalism. So I guess you know a lot about meeting people. So we're gonna ask you how foreigners can make friends with Korean people.
If you have any opportunity to meet a Korean friend, just you can go to him or her and say hello. 말을 먼저 걸어라.
First you go approach and talk to her. But like for example, if I go and the other person they are not comfortable, right? So and if
some Korean people are really shy and so 먼저 다가가지 않아요.
So the thing is like Koreans they are shy people, so they will not approach you. So you have to be the first one to go and talk to them. And most of the people they will try to talk. And second thing is like, okay, if someone wants to date a Korean girl, so what are the tips? What do you think where they can find, or any tip you do you have any?
Be kind and be gentle. Be handsome.
Yeah guys, be handsome, like your looks should it matters a lot, of course, like so yeah, you should be clean and neat and tidy, and then you go and talk to girls. And Korean girls, I guess, yeah, they also want to talk to foreigners also, right? Yeah, so don't be shy, just go approach to the girls. And yeah, Korean girls would say hi to you guys. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Actually, I don't have any think about.
You don't. Do you have any Pakistani friend?
Is my first.
I'm the first one, okay? The other one, no. Have you ever tried Pakistani food?
No.
Indian food?
I tried one Indian restaurant food.
But like Pakistani and Indian food is almost 99% similar, very similar.
Oh.
Yeah, so have you tried naan?
Yeah, I tried.
Yeah, naan is also Pakistani food. And chicken, any other?
Tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken, yeah, so that's also Pakistani. We also have the same. So do you like the Pakistani food?
Maybe some strong smell, but tasty good.
Yeah, tastes good.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, thanks a lot for saying so nice thing. Would you ever want to visit Pakistan?
기회가 되면.
If you get an opportunity, yeah, Pakistani people are very welcoming, and you will be very like a model. So people will be like, wow, you came to Pakistan, like you are a very good foreigner. So they will be so.
Well, I don't
happy.
know where the Pakistan is.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll guide you, and then you should go to Pakistan. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.